Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. I am Mrs. Bandana Singh, your English teacher, and I am class teacher of 8th B. Yes. So this is the first day of the week and the first lecture. It's English. Okay. So first we'll discuss about, as we know that we have online assessment. You have got syllabus and timetable also, and English exam is there on Wednesday. Okay. You all are aware with the syllabus. If you are confused or if there will be any confusion, you can ask me. Okay, for any confusion, write down there in comment section below. When you watch video on YouTube, there is a comment section, you all are aware. Yes, write there your query. Okay, for your this assessment, I have given 4 chapters. One is Tarot's Reward, and it is from Honeysuckle. Okay, another second lesson is it's the Sappho's Treasure, and it is from Supplementary Reader. Okay, and 2 lessons are from grammar. One is article and second one is pronoun. Total 4 lessons. Again, I am revising. First one is from the book Honeysuckle, and it is Tarot's Reward, and second one is it's from English Supplementary Reader. It is the Sappho's Treasure, and third one from grammar article, and fourth one is also from grammar pronoun. Okay, now see, we have studied very nicely all the chapters. We have revised it. Yes, and in English grammar, article is done, but pronoun is not done till now. Okay, we have not finished the topic, so don't be confused, don't get confused. So whatever I have taught, that much only will come in the exam. Okay, see, in pronouns, I have explained everything about pronoun. What is pronoun? How do we use the pronoun? What is the need of pronoun? Okay. And after that, I have explained the topic personal pronoun also. So both the topic, study well, practice well, and everything will be in exam from both the topics. Okay. Pronoun and personal pronoun, because we have done till now here only, then that's why till here only will be there in the exam. Okay. The next thing is there in this exam, everything will be MCQs. MCQ, you know already, 2 times you have attempted the exam. Okay, means you will get option. For that, what you need to do, you need to read the chapter very attentively. You need to read each and every line, each and every statement. Okay, because question may be from anywhere. Yes, getting? So read the lesson very attentively, each and every line, each and every statement. Okay, and all the best for the exam. Now come back to our topic, it's pronoun. As we were on the topic pronoun, the first topic is what is pronoun? We have done this already, this revision is going on. We know that words we use in the place of noun, they are only pronoun. We replace noun with pronoun. Okay, the now next, the various pronoun. Which are the pronoun? As we know that noun are the name of person, place, animal or thing. What are the pronouns? Pronouns are various pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These are various pronoun. Now the next topic is why we need them. Why we need pronoun? What is the need of that? To avoid repeating nouns. Already I explained you in Zoom class. If we don't have pronoun, what will happen? We'll repeat noun again and again. Yes. Example is also given here. See, using noun only. Raj bought the book because Raj wanted to read it. Okay. 2 times we have used noun. Now Raj is the noun and we have used it 2 times. Raj bought the book because Raj wanted to read it. Okay. With the use of pronoun, see how we have changed, how we have replaced noun with pronoun. Raj bought the book because he wanted to read it. Okay. Yes, we do it. Whenever we speak English, we speak like this only, but we should aware with the rules and what we are doing, what we are using, and how we should know. Okay, the next example, one more. The dog was barking because the dog was hungry. Yes, this is the another example, and again we have used noun 2 times here. In the with the use of pronoun, we'll say like this: the dog was barking because it was hungry. We replaced dog with it. One more last example. Praxi was crying, so Praxi's father gave Praxi a cycle. Okay, here we have used noun Praxi 3 times. Okay, now with the use of pronoun, Praxi was crying, so her father gave her the cycle. Okay, we replace Praxi with the pronoun her. Okay, this is the use of pronoun. Now you must have aware that why do we need pronoun? Okay, to modify the sentence. With the use of pronoun, we modify the sentence and it became more easy and smooth for us. Okay, now we came to know we use pronoun for to avoid complicity of sentences. Okay, now we know that pronoun can be subject or predicate, or we can say object also. Okay, because subject have mainly two part. In later on you have studied also subject sentence is divided into so many parts: subject, verb, helping verb, yes, object, like this. But mainly we know that subject sentence have divided into two part. It's subject and predicate. Okay, then we know that the about whom we are talking, this is subject, and the remaining part whatever we are talking, that is predicate. Okay, till now this was all about pronoun. The next topic is the types of pronoun. Pronouns have divided into 7 parts as per their use. Okay, it why we have divided pronouns in parts? What was the use of it? Because by this, okay, by this separation, it becomes easy for us to learn, to practice. Okay, as these are personal pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, intensive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. The first one is personal pronoun. Now we'll study one by one so that it will be easy for us to use it, to understand it. Okay, then our first topic is personal pronoun. What are the personal pronoun? Personal pronoun means we are talking about a person, and for a person what we use: I, me, he, she, it. These are the personal pronoun. Okay, now the next topic is the first. In personal pronoun there are 3 person, because we have came on the topic personal pronoun. We are talking about a person. Okay, when we talk about a person, then what is there are 3 person in English. Which are these? First person, second person, and third person. How come? We'll discuss. First person. See, there are in that, I have make a graph here. 2 boys are standing and one girl is standing. Okay, the first person. First person means a boy is standing there in maroon shirt. He is talking with a boy standing in red t-shirt. Okay, then the person who is talking is the first person. Okay, with whom he is talking is the second person. Okay, about whom they are talking is the third person. Okay, the 2 boys are talking about that girl, means the first one who is talking is the first person. With whom he is talking is the second person. Who is listening? Listener is the second person. Okay, the speaker or the person who is talking is the first person. Who is listening is the second person. About whom the conversation, the discussion is going on is the third person. Suppose the first boy is Ram, second one is Syam, and the girl is Richa. Ram is saying to Syam that Richa is a brilliant girl. Okay, then we have came to know that first person means the person speaker, second person listener, and third person about whom they both are talking. Okay, this is done. Now the second thing in personal pronoun we learn is the 2 forms. Which are the 2 forms? Singular and plural. We know well. You can see in the graph, when we are talking about one thing or one person, this is singular. More than one is plural. Okay, now the next topic is based on type. Type means the type of the sentence: subjective, possessive, and objective. Okay, subjective means subject. This is the subject used for subject, the word which we used for the subject. Subject I, we, he, she, who, they. Means I am going, we are writing, he is listening, she is reading, who was coming, okay, they were going. Then these words are used as the subject in the sentence. That's why they are subjective or subject. Got this topic? You need to focus on this, you need to revise it, otherwise you will get confused. Okay, the words which used as a subject in a sentence are subjective, and read these words, these are the subject. Okay, now the possessive. Possessive means they show ownership. Ownership, you know na, we say na, this pen is mine. You say in first sentence, you can say this is my pen. You are just simply you are saying this is my pen. Okay, in second sentence, in a force, you are saying this pen is mine. You are showing ownership, it's your, it belong to you. Getting? These are the possessive. And objective, when this word which we used as a subject, okay, as a subject we used I, we, he, she, who, they. Okay, because when I'm talking about myself, I say I, we. Okay, as a subject we use like this, and as an object we say me, not I. Okay, I say me, it was done by me. In first sentence I am saying I did this. Okay, I did this. As a subject I said I. When मैं अपने बारे में बता रही हूँ, I am talking about me, I am saying I did this. Okay, then I said I. In another sentence it was done by me. Getting the difference? Yes. We. Okay, how? Us. We. How will say? Can you make a sentence? Try to make a sentence. Just think. We brought this book. We brought this book for you. Okay. In another sentence, this book was brought by us. Getting? Like this. When these pronouns are used as a subject, these are I, we, he, she, who, they, and as an object these words become me, us, him, her, them, whom. Okay, now this is the brief about personal pronoun. There are three types of person: first person, second person, and third person. This is the revision part of today's study about personal pronoun. Okay, there are three person: first person who is speaking, speaker; second person who is listening, listener; third person about whom they both were discussing. Okay, two types of form: singular form and plural form. When we are talking about one, it's singular; more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's plural. Three types: subjective, possessive, and objective. Okay, subjective means when we use as a subject, possessive when we show ownership, and objective when we use as a objects. Okay, this was all about today's study about pronoun and personal pronoun. Revise the topic well, pronoun. Okay, and be ready for the exam, and watch the video, repeat it again whenever you are feeling difficulty, and all the best. Bye.